in Ohio. Allen, DeFrance, Hancock, Paulding, Putnam, and Van Wert. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, even and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. States including the weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I didn't know they were going to go off.
Putnam, Seneca and Wood, and Lummi Bay to Reno Beach.
I don't need to get up that damn loud. Stop recording.
No reception.
Northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bend County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, west central Williams County in northwestern Ohio until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
Oh my God. What is it?
southeast at 25 miles. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicators. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and tree piles. Locations impacted include Gold, Waterloo, Southern,
Oh my God.
Lake, Pleasant Lake. Swan Lake. Northeastern Indiana, southern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Winona Lake, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Columbia City, North Manchester, Winona Lake, South Whitley, Kirsten, Silver Lake, Claypool, Larwell, Burkett, Sydney, Big Barbie Lake, Whitinger Lake, Moran, Liberty Mills, Collimer, Irish Lake, Luther, Peabody, and Little Chapman Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko, Wabash, and Whitley. Eastern Logan County, Southern Union County, Ohio, North Central Madison County until 12:45 p.m. At 11:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bell Fountain, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marysville, Bell Fountain, Urbana, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, DeGraff, Milford Center, Woodstock, Unionville Center, Valley High, Zanesfield, Mutual, Cable, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Rosedale, State Route 4F, State Route 161, Hattiesburg, and Kennard. All hazards rated